In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify sender email in systeme.io. Verifying your sender email is a quick but essential step that helps your newsletters, automations, and broadcast emails arrive from your own address with better deliverability and trust. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, sign into your systeme.io account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, you'll be working from the main dashboard, and everything we need is just a couple of clicks away. Next, head to emails and then select settings. Depending on your layout, you might see emails in the top navigation or the left sidebar and settings inside that section. This opens the area where sender profiles are managed. If you've never added a sender before, the page will be empty. If you already have one, you'll see it listed here. Now click Add Sender Email. A small form will appear asking for the email address you want to send from. Type it carefully to avoid typos, because the verification message will go exactly where you tell it to. For best results, use a professional domain-based address rather than a free mailbox, since that can improve deliverability and brand consistency. If there's a field for a display name, you can set how your name appears in recipients' inboxes, but the key part is entering the correct email address. Save your changes when you're done. At this point, switch over to the inbox of the address you just entered. Look for a verification email from systeme.io. It typically arrives within a minute or two, but it can take slightly longer depending on your mail provider. If you don't see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, and make sure your mailbox isn't filtering automated messages. If you're using a company email, your IT team may need to safelist system.io's messages so they don't get blocked. Open the verification email and click the verification link inside. That link confirms you own the address and tells systeme.io it's safe to send on your behalf. After clicking, you'll be taken to a confirmation page. When you return to emails and settings, the sender should show as verified. From here on, your campaigns and automations can use that address confidently. And that's it. You logged in, navigated to emails and settings, added your sender address, checked your inbox for the verification email, and clicked the verification link. With this done, your messages will look more professional and are more likely to land where they should. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.